Hi, everyone. My name is Robert Michael Merlin, and I'll be doing a seminar at the convention in August that runs from 7th, 8th, and the 9th, Marlborough, Massachusetts. Have you ever wondered about past life regression? What it means to you as an individual, what it means to your clients, what it means to your business if you know how to do it, and what it means to everyone else who has an understanding of spirituality and how that affects them. Well, let me tell you something. I'm doing a past life regression seminar, course number 11035, on Friday, August 7th from 3 to 4 p.m. I'll be explaining about how past life regression can affect your business, what it will mean for your clients who come to you, how to create a new funnel of clients that'll be coming specifically to you as someone who knows how to help them with past life regression to understand the things that are happening in their life now and how things that have happened in the past directly relate to their life in the present. And when you put those two together, how they can have profound influences on changes in behavior as they awaken to this new awakening that they have been around for many, many years, usually hundreds of different years and many, many, many different lifetimes, and how that deals with the religious aspects of all the different religions that all have something to do with past life regression. We're going to be talking about all that and more, and I'll be taking some of your questions also. So remember, be there August 7th, Friday, 3 to 4 p.m., course number 11035. I'm looking forward to meeting you in person and giving you some new information that will not only change your life, but the lives of others that you work with. See you then.